Did you know Tarragona welcomes over 100,000 cruise passengers every year? While it's not as big as the Port of Barcelona, it's a fascinating stop with Roman ruins, a relaxed Mediterranean vibe, and a historic center just a short distance away. If your cruise stops in Tarragona, this video will help you know what to expect and how to make the most of your visit. The Tarragona Cruise Terminal is located at the Mall de Balears, a dedicated dock for cruise ships a bit outside the city center. But don't worry, getting into town is easy. Some cruise lines offer shuttle buses, sometimes included in your fare, sometimes not, so it's worth checking in advance. There are also private transfers and guided tours available directly from the terminal. If you prefer to walk, that's also an option. The walk from the port to the city center is about 2 kilometers, or 1.2 miles, and can take around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your pace. There's a steep uphill section, but Tarragona has installed escalators and elevators that make it much easier, a big plus for anyone with limited mobility or just wanting to save energy. Once you reach the top, you're in the historic heart of the city. Tarragona was once one of the most important Roman cities outside of Italy, and you'll feel it. Don't miss the amphitheater by the sea, the Roman circus, the ancient city walls, and of course the Balco del Mediterraneo, a stunning viewpoint over the coastline. And if you're planning other cruises, you might enjoy my videos about cruise ports like Barcelona or Marseille, packed with tips just like this one. You'll find the links in the description, or you can search for them here on Patsy Travels. Before heading back to the ship, why not stop for a Vermouth, one of Tarragona's local traditions? Many bars offer 2 glasses of Vermouth plus olives and chips for around €6. It's a great way to soak in the atmosphere and enjoy a local custom. Keep in mind that the return trip to the port can take 15 to 25 minutes, depending on whether you walk or take a shuttle. So make sure to give yourself plenty of time. A quick tip, most people in Tarragona speak Spanish or Catalan. English is spoken in tourist areas, but having a few phrases or a translation app can come in handy. Also, don't forget to bring some euros, especially for small purchases in cafes or markets. Tarragona usually enjoys sunny weather, especially from spring to early fall. But if you're walking, remember there's little shade, so a hat and sunscreen are definitely recommended. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment with your experience in Tarragona. And if you're planning more Mediterranean cruises, subscribe to Patsy Travels for more tips, port guides, and cruise videos.